Hey everybody, Lori Frederick here. Do you have scars? Have you had surgery? Have you had surgery and been told to massage your scars? One of my biggest frustrations is that people are not told enough that they need to massage their scars because all that scar tissue needs to heal and needs to get more movement again through all the different layers. Now, specifically, I kind of want to reach on C-section scars because I've come across another one and I do it often as a massage therapist, and I've had a C-section myself. That massage for that scar is one of the best things ever that you can do. So I brought a helper in this video, my pup, Raina, to demo some of the techniques that we'll get to in a second. But I really want to stress, even if you're just putting lotion on your scar in a daily fashion, do it. It's going to be helpful. But there's so many layers that the incision goes through, muscle and fat and tissue and all that, and the uterus itself. Scar tissue and buildup of scar tissue creates back problems, bladder problems, breathing problems. It can get into all sorts of stuff because it's right there in your pelvis, and your pelvis alignment is really important. Your abdominal core muscles are very important. Your digestion's really important. Anyway, you get my point. It's really important to start working on your scar. So please use this little tutorial to get started. If you have any questions, drop comments below, message me, whatever you need. I am happy to help you address this because this is huge. This is one of my big, huge public service announcements. Please massage your scars. Okay, so I drew with a skin marker on Raina here just to show you and illustrate how the skin scars should move. So if it's newly healed, then you want to start further away with a lot of your motions and things. If it's been a long time, then just start playing around right on the scar and do all those movements. There's a bunch of different layers involved when there's an abdominal insertion. So there's a great video out there that you can search up that I'll link. But the idea is that you want to try to go in all these directions, side to side, up and down, and find if there's maybe a direction that doesn't quite move well. Now, there's skin level, and then there's deeper muscle level. So right here, what's great is that this skin level is really pliable, and you can go play around on areas where you don't have scars and see how you can really grab the skin like that. Okay, now I do recall, okay, here's her scar over here. I guess I could have done that, but it's in the fur, so it's hard to see. But I want to find directions that don't move real well, and then kind of start little circles, start up and down these ways. Once you get past the skin layer, you just push a little deeper and then kind of roll around that way. Oftentimes, what I'll do is actually activate the muscles like that. So as she's pulling her legs up, if I'm in there at a spot, the activation, gentle activation of the abdominal muscles will help you find some ways as well. But even just the basics of a little lotion on the area is going to really help with your scar healing. The deeper, even behind the muscle, you know, in around the uterus and where those other organs are, the bladder and everything, that's where people get hung up, and that's where some of the issues come in. You're such a good puppy. Good girl. Mwah. Good girl. Thank you. You can get down.